approach and we want to return sequence of result. So in sequence of result we can use generator function. And in generator function what we are going to do, we will use the yield statements. Yield statement means we want yield function or statement to return a sequence of result. Now we are saying that generator and list are similar, but generators are more better than list. Why? Because lists are taking consuming more memory as well as space as well as runtime. List consuming more memory and runtime. While we are saying that generator are not the same, what list are doing? List are first building the list and storing the variable, whole entire sequence of variable in the memory. So it means that they are consuming more memory. But what generator is doing? Generators are basically yielding value on demand, and they does not store the entire whole sequence in the memory. Entire sequence in memory. So we are going to discuss now the time analysis of list as well as generator. So we are saying that we can use time operator. So this will give us the whole time of the cell. Now we will use import statement because we are analyzing the time. So import time. Then just we are saying that we are generating a list of odd numbers as well as we are generating a list of odd numbers, and we are using generator operator to print or to gain an entire sequence of odd numbers. So we are just analyzing the runtime. So we are saying that just create a function for both generator as well as list. We are saying that there are two variables we are taking, and we are using the while statement, n is less than m. This is the iteration statement. Then we are saying what to yield. We are saying we can use yield statements, yield n, and then for iteration. Now we will do the same for list, but we are saying in list we are not using the yield statements. We will use simply list how we was using from start. List, initialize list here, then while loop, n is less than m. Then what we are saying, list, we are going to use list functions, list dot append. This will build the whole list, then this will perform the iterations, then it will give us the list. Now what list have done? List will do what list will do. Basically list will first generate the list, build the list, and store the entire sequence in the memory. But only generator will do that, it will only yield the odd numbers and it will only store the demanded value in the memory. So it will consume less memory. Now we are going to use a time statement. Copy paste simply. Now till here we have done that. We are going to place the OR statement. Now what we are going, we are saying this one time we are going to calculate for generator function. We are saying that time 1 equals to time dot time. Basically time dot time is the initial time. Then we are saying that give it any value n and m value, so to analyze the time. Then we are saying that print the time to sum and iteration. Time, this was the initial time and this was the Now this is the initial time which we are calculating. So we are saying that now n time will minus the initial time, so we will get the time for for generator function, and same we will do but in list what we have said. First list will do, it will build and then it will sum the list. All other is same. Now when we will run it, what we will do, just cancel it out, it will give the whole. Now you can see the time, run time. The run time of the list is much higher than the run time of the generator function. So we are seeing that generator are much better than the list. Then we are saying that we can use other statements in the generator function. Like we are saying that we can use odd function statement, we can use any other statement, like we can use statements, like we are saying that we can do the same for this is. Now we want to generate a list, now we want to generate the entire list. Now control, just copy it and now then paste it here. Now what we have done, we are saying now we wanted to generate some answer. Now we can use for loop here. We are saying that I in odd generator function which we have built, which we have created above. Now we are giving, let's say we are saying, what we are saying, we are saying from 1 to 10, now it have to yield us the odd numbers. 1 is the value of n and m. Now we are saying when we will print I, it will generate us the result. There was expected is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Simply we have used the odd generator function. Then we have used the generator function. In generator function we have used yield statement, and it has generated us our entire odd numbers from 1 to 10. So in this we can also do, but what list will do, it will first store the list entire sequence. Now it has not stored the entire sequence in the memory, it has saved our memory.